Hello everyone. In this series of daily analyzing, daily discussing one prelim question, we are going to discuss today one question from 2023 UPSC Prelim. Question number 69 from set A of 2023 Prelim. We all know how aspirant viewed this prelim. Means it is discussed as toughest prelim paper in the UPSC history. So, question number 69 from 2023 Prelim, aerial metagenomics best refers to which one of the following situations? Option A, collecting DNA samples from air in habitat at one go. Option B, understanding the genetic makeup of avian species of a habitat. Option C, using airborne devices to collect blood samples from moving animals. And option D, sending drones to inaccessible areas to collect plant and animal samples from land surfaces and water bodies. See, in UPSC Prelim, there are many questions about which at that point of time many aspirants or almost all aspirants do not have any solid idea or correct understanding. Such question should be solved based on the common sense and what I say, situational awareness. That situational awareness is very necessary based on what you know, based on your linguistic capabilities. That situational awareness can be shown. Basically, I think UPSC is testing your decision making ability from such questions. We will see how. See, if I don't know any particular idea about this question, but still there are two terms on which I can focus my energy. Aerial and second is metagenomics. Now, I may not be aware about this term aerial metagenomics, but I have understanding about aerial term and genomics term. So primary meaning of genomics means what genomics do, genetics do is what I get or what I understand. So aerial and genomics are two hints provided in this question. Based on this, let's see which option discuss these two terms, aerial and genomics. Sending drones to inaccessible areas to collect plant and animal samples from land surface and water bodies. There is no mention of either aerial or genomics. Specifically, we will focus first on genomics. Using airborne devices to collect blood samples from moving animals. Understanding the genetic makeup of avian species of habitat. Collecting DNA samples from air in habitat at one go. So, based on these two terms, genomics and aerial, I can eliminate two options C and D, and I will focus my energy on option A and B. So, my answer should be either between A or B. Again, see, this is just my assumption based on what I understand aerial and genomics. So, collecting DNA samples from air in habitat at one go, understanding the genetic makeup of avian species of a habitat. So, now you tell me which should be my most possible correct option. Aerial and metagenomics. Aerial, samples from air in a habitat at one go, and metagenomics, DNA samples. So, option A is the correct option. So, in such questions, you have to show your situational awareness, your common sense, your linguistic capabilities, but for such analysis, for generating time to have that analysis during exam hall, you must have your basics ready or basic strong. Because when I solve my polity questions in a quick time, when I solve my economic questions in quick time, I can generate such time for reflection, for thinking during exam hall. So, don't afraid of such question. Like this question is from science tech, this question I don't have basic understanding or no understanding about this question. Just decode that term, go based on the common sense, go based on the situational awareness. Thank you.